Hello everyone, this is Rulon Brown. I'm here with a Bari saxophone and our new Bari saxophone swab, a new cleaner that we affectionately call the BARINANA. It has a banana shape. It has a wonderful ripstop fabric. It's a dry fit wicking fabric that is commonly used in outdoor wear like ski jackets. It's super absorbent and meant to grab all moisture and humidity, wick it in, and in a ski jacket, it's meant to then let it breathe out. But in our case, we're folding this into some beautiful folds here around a flexible shaft. We have one end that has kind of a ball tip that can help guide into really tight places like the neck. I'll show you that in a second. And then we have our patent pending bullet tip. This is what guides in and through and around the curves of the Bari saxophone. So let me show you how it works. First, I'll grab the Bari saxophone here and let me take this and just show you that you just put it in and then it guides around. And it's 20 inches long, and you can see this is going to get all the way up and into there. So it's very, very easy to use. It can coil up easily inside the case, however you need to store it. You can also store it long ways, wherever you need, depending on your particular case. Now let me show you how it cleans the Bari saxophone neck. This is just a standard Bari sax neck. Rather than using the bullet tip guide, we're just going to use the other end, and it just guides in like that. And you can see how this material is quite blousy inside. It's layered. You can see how it has layers in there. All that material bunches up beautifully, touches every surface. And again, it's a ripstop weave. So if we had a puncture that went right through all the layers, it could not tear further. This is super rugged, durable stuff. It's meant for you to be able to use this for many, many years. And when it can hand wash. Everything's waterproof here, so it can hand wash and then just air dry. And if for some reason you're like, I just want to freshen up my swab, we sell replacement parts, and you could then replace the entire thing with a totally fresh swab portion here. Again, this is the Key Leaves Bari saxophone cleaning swab. We affectionately call it the BARINANA because of its wonderful shape and bright color. Learn about this and other great products at Key Leaves.